Lab testing has revealed that more than 40% of so-called synthetic oils on store shelves fail to live up to their own protection promises. Yet, most drivers still trust what the label says. Today, I'm breaking down the 9 best synthetic oils you can actually rely on, and 5 oils that can quietly destroy your engine. Stay until the end, because I'll expose a truth about synthetic oil that many mechanics know, but rarely admit. Let's get started. Number 9. Castrol Edge Advanced Full Synthetic. Ever cut open an oil filter after 7,000 miles and notice how clean everything still looks? That's exactly what made Castrol Edge stand out to me. This oil goes beyond basic lubrication. It strengthens metal surfaces under pressure. Castrol's fluid titanium technology isn't just branding. I've inspected engines that ran Edge for years, and the bearings were smooth, clean, and free of scoring or varnish. When engines are pushed hard, this oil thickens its protective film instead of thinning out like most oils do. I've watched it hold up in turbocharged engines running near 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Even oil analysis reports showed impressively low iron wear after extended use. It costs more, but for aggressive driving or direct injection engines, it earns its place. Number 8. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic. Valvoline has been around longer than many mechanics working today, and for good reason. I've used it in high-mileage fleet vehicles that crossed 400,000 miles while still maintaining solid compression. This oil is all about balance. Not every engine needs track-level performance. Most need protection during cold starts, traffic driving, and long highway trips. Valvoline delivers with a strong blend of molybdenum, zinc, and detergents that keep internal components clean. I've removed valve covers after years of use and could still see factory markings. It also resists oil burn-off better than cheaper options. Independent testing showed it holds viscosity longer than several higher-priced competitors. With modern certifications, it's dependable protection in any season. Number 7. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic. This oil stands out because it's made from natural gas instead of crude oil. That process creates an exceptionally pure base oil from the start. I've seen engines surpass 150,000 miles using this oil with zero sludge and spotless valve covers. It performs exceptionally well in extreme temperatures, whether scorching summers or freezing winters, without startup noise or delayed oil pressure. Testing showed pistons staying significantly cleaner than with standard synthetics, and real-world results match those claims. It resists oxidation, even under high RPM or towing conditions. It meets modern standards and rewards drivers who keep up with maintenance. Number 6. Mobil 1 Extended Performance. This is the oil that proved long drain intervals can actually work. Mobil didn't extend mileage claims just for marketing. They engineered this formula for it. With a robust additive system, it controls oxidation and maintains film strength well past 15,000 miles. I've opened engines after long highway intervals and found clean aluminum surfaces with no sludge or varnish. Oil analysis consistently shows low wear metals. It resists thinning, evaporation, and thermal breakdown. It's not flashy, but it's the oil you choose when you want peace of mind. Number 5. Royal Purple High Performance Synthetic. Royal Purple stands out the moment you use it. I ran it in a 6.7 Hemi that had persistent lifter noise, and after 2 oil changes, the tapping was gone. Its proprietary additive bonds directly to metal surfaces, maintaining protection during cold starts. That's why engines often run quieter and smoother, especially higher mileage ones. Teardowns reveal cam lobes with minimal wear. Independent testing shows reduced friction and better power retention under load. It's expensive, but for performance or weekend vehicles, the results justify the price. Number 4. AMSOIL Signature Series. AMSOIL pioneered synthetic motor oil approvals decades ago, and this formula proves why they're still respected. Built for endurance, this oil shows low wear even after 30,000 miles in oil analysis reports. Its high-purity base oils and a strong additive package fight oxidation, neutralize acids, and prevent sludge buildup. Whether towing, idling for long periods, or driving in extreme temperatures, viscosity remains stable. It backs its extended drain claims with real data. This oil is for drivers who want maximum protection with fewer oil changes. Number 3. Liqui Moly Synth Oil Premium. This oil reflects precision engineering at its core. It uses molybdenum compounds to form a microscopic protective layer between moving parts, reducing friction and noise. I used it in a BMW Inline 6 with lifter tick, and within a few thousand miles, the noise vanished. Engines running this oil stay remarkably clean internally. It holds viscosity under extreme heat and meets strict European standards. It's an excellent choice for European vehicles or anyone seeking top-tier protection. Number 2. Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic. This oil has earned legendary status among diesel owners, motorcyclists, and off-road drivers. Designed to handle punishment, it excels under heavy towing, long idling, and high temperatures. With high levels of zinc and phosphorus, it offers exceptional wear protection, especially for flat tappet cams. Its detergent system keeps contaminants suspended instead of allowing buildup. I've tested it in turbocharged engines and motorcycles with oil temps exceeding 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and pressure stayed rock solid. Oil analysis confirms consistently low wear metals even after abuse. It's tough, proven, and trusted. Number 1. Mobil 1 Annual Protection. This oil isn't designed to survive. It's engineered to dominate. Rated for up to 20,000 miles or 1 full year, testing shows dramatically better wear protection compared to standard synthetics beyond long intervals. Engine teardowns reveal clean camshafts, tight bearings, and spotless valve trains, even under boost or towing. Its ultra-stable base stock and fortified anti-wear system resist heat, shear, and evaporation. Oil pressure remains strong, viscosity stays in range, and engines stay protected. This is as close to engine insurance as oil gets. Now, not every oil is safe. Number 5 on the worst list. No-name budget synthetics. Cheap labels, missing certifications, and weak additive packages. These oils thin out, sludge up, and destroy engines. If it doesn't clearly list proper certifications, avoid it. Number 4. Fake full synthetic high mileage blends. Many of these are mostly conventional oil with a splash of synthetic. They foam, shear down quickly, and leave deposits. Always read the fine print. Number 3. Oils without proper certifications. No certification means no standardized testing. Always look for modern ratings and approvals. Number 2. Outdated or clearance shelf oils. Old stock can lose additive balance over time. Always check ratings and production dates. Number 1. Worst oil mistake. Wrong viscosity. Using oil that's too thick or too thin for your engine can cause serious damage. Always follow the oil cap or owner's manual. Not advice from friends. Some mechanics know this truth. Most won't say it openly. That's why engines still fail, even when using premium synthetic oil. I explain exactly why in the next video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe First Gear for more car maintenance tips. And if you've ever made any of these mistakes or have tips to share, drop a comment below.